Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to customize our live caption mode in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. First, where to find it. Of course, in our settings menu. We are looking for accessibility options here, and under here enhancements at the top we have live caption. Right now it's turned off. Let's turn it on, and here we have a few options that we can change. For example, hide profanity. We can choose to hide it, show it. We can change a few captions preferences. As you can see, default language we can change also. We have English here, but we can add more. Of course, we need to download it. We can change volume, etc. There is a fair bit we can customize right here. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.